Good morning. In this class, we're discussing about PT-based sustainable EV charge stations. As we know that we have to apply the different 5 stages of design thinking process now here. So explain the five design thinking process of the display.
Okay. I'm Megha from third year mechanical. I'm here to give the first stage which is empathizing. Empathizing is known as understanding something which is related to the problem. The first stage of design thinking is empathizing, where we deeply understand the needs, challenges, and expectations of the user. In the case of sustainable EV charging stations, the primary users are like electric vehicle owners, station operators, and environmental stakeholders. Many EV user experience problems such as long waiting time, limited availability of charging points, high charging costs, and lack of stations in rural and semi-urban areas. Some users are also concerned about whether the electricity used for charging actually comes from the renewable resources. To understand these issues, we conduct surveys, interviews, and field observations at existing charging stations. For example, user may express frustration about overcrowded station during peak hours. Others may highlight the absence of proper shelter, seating, or real-time information about charger availability. By observing user behavior and listening carefully to their experience, we gather meaningful insight. This also includes understanding environmental impact. Many users prefer green energy solution but are unsure about the sustainable of current system. This stage helps us clearly identify real world pain points instead of making assumptions. This goal is to step into the user's shoes and finally understand their emotion, functional, and environmental needs before designing a solution. Good morning, all. I'm Shivani from Service Mechanical. I'm here to say the second stage, which is define. In define, what are the enterprise insights are taken into define, and the problem is defined here. Um, After gathering insights from users, the next step is clearly define the problem in this stage. We analyze all the collected data and identify the key challenges that need to be solved. For a sustainable EV charging station, the core issue often revolves around accessibility, cost efficiency, environment, and sustainability and user convenience. From the empathy stage, we may discover that users want faster charging, lower cost, and reliable charging stations and eco-friendly. Based on this, we frame a clear problem statement such as how might we design an affordable, accessible, and environmental sustainable EV charging station that improves user experience and reduce carbon footprints. Defining the problem correctly is very important because it's by the entire innovation process. Instead of focusing only on installing more chargings, and we focus on creating a sustainable and user-centered solution. The problem should be specific but flexible enough to allow creative ideas. This stage also prioritize issues. For example, is cost more important than speed? Is sustainability the more main concern? By clearly defining the real problem, we avoid designing solutions that do not address user needs. A well-defined problem becomes the foundation for effective and innovation ideation. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Alex. I'm Daniel. I'm going to talk about ideation. So, the ideation stage focuses on generating multiple creative solutions without limiting imagination. Here, we brainstorm different ideas to solve the defined problem of creating a sustainable EV charging station. The goal is to think broadly and explore innovative possibilities. Possible ideas include installing solar panel canopies above parking areas to generate renewable energy. Battery storage systems can store excess solar power for use during night or cloudy conditions. Smart energy management systems can optimize power usage and reduce waste. An app-based booking system can help users reserve charging slots and reduce waiting time. Fast charging and slow charging options can be provided depending on the user needs. Other innovative ideas may include rainwater harvesting system, use of recycled construction materials, green landscaping for cooling effects, and integration with smart grids. Brainstorming techniques such as mind mapping, Camper, and group discussion help in producing diverse ideas. During this stage, no idea is rejected immediately. Even unusual ideas can lead to practical solution. Even after generating many concepts, the feasible, cost-effective, and sustainable ideas are selected for further development.
On to the next step, that is prototyping and system evaluation. So in this prototype stage, we select the material, that the idea, and we convert it into the model. The purpose of the prototyping is to test concepts before full-scale implementation.
doesn't need to be perfect, but it's a trial version that is meant for the identification and strength of the material. A small scale working model can be created using an miniature solar panel, batteries, and LED bulbs to demonstrate the energy flow. CAD designs can show the layout of the charging slots, solar rooftops, and battery storage spaces. A 3D printed cardboard model can be visually represented as station structure. Software simulations can also be used to analyze energy efficiency and cost savings.
Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Samuel, third year mechanical. Here I'm going to explain about the final stage, which is the testing. So the final stage of design thinking is testing. In this phase, the prototype is evaluated by real users and experts to gather feedback. Testing helps identify practical issues and improve the design before the scale development. For sustainable EV charging station, EV users can test the prototype or simulation to check charging speed. In case of inconvenience, engineers can analyze technical performance, energy efficiency, and system reliability. Environmental experts can evaluate sustainability impact on carbon reduction. This stage ensures the final design is not only innovative but also practical and efficient. It validates whether the solution is truly solves the defined problem. Testing is also improves our satisfaction and increases the confidence in the system. In conclusion, the testing phase ensures continuous improvement and refinement, making the sustainable EV charging station both user friendly and environmental purposes.